Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering your keyboard and connecting it to the Mac. Choose USB for simplicity, or Midi DIN through an interface if you need legacy gear. Once connected, make sure the keyboard shows power and the Mac recognizes a new device in system information. This tells you the physical link is sound. Then open Logic Pro X and add a software instrument track so Logic is ready to receive Midi. Doing this first avoids wasted time troubleshooting later and keeps the signal path clear. Once done with the physical connection, configure Logic so it listens correctly. Go to Preferences, then Midi, and confirm your device is listed and input is enabled. This ensures Logic accepts data. Next, set the track's Midi input to the keyboard channel or to all if you want simplicity. Load the desired software instrument and check the Midi activity meters and the instrument's note LEDs. These visual cues confirm that notes travel from keyboard to plugin. Make sure input monitoring and the track's record enable are on so you hear and record immediately. Finally, test by recording a short performance. Listen for latency and inspect the piano roll to verify note timing and velocity. If you want hands-on control, map continuous controllers in Smart Controls or controller assignments so knobs and faders tweak plugins in real time. When things go wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to restart Logic and reconnect the keyboard. Then check Audio Midi setup on Mac OS to confirm the device appears. If still dead, swap cables or ports and try another Midi channel to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.